Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not uMaNgwabe asking her mother MaNgwabe ukuthi number 5 yena uzohlalaphi. And listen, I am not surprised by uMaNgwabe's response because she then says kambe ngingenaphi lapha. Mina angihlangene naye akuyena wakithi lalela. uMaNgwabe is not even gonna pretend as if she's interested kwindaba ka number 5, even if it's for the sake of her kids, guys. Now other people were like, hi bo Mawande, indaba zesithembu azingenwa and what. But I'm thinking to myself, guys, how are we expecting these kids not to be asking questions? Like how? I mean, uMaNgwabe, guys, I just feel like Umusa needs to be aware of this child. He needs to rate her. Was she not the one child who made a comment? I can't remember if she made a comment on a diary session or she asked Musa, but she said something along the lines that Ubaba doesn't say nice things about Uma in his diary sessions. So guys, yes, there are kids, but it's not like they are not seeing what's going on. Never mind not even seeing what's going on, but there's TV, there's the reality TV show that's playing. So there's no way these kids are not going to be involved, or no way they're not going to have questions about number 5. And I kind of feel like, yes, I don't have a say in people's families, but I kind of feel like Musa now has a responsibility to do things in a different way, guys. Yes, he's not married to his kids, but I don't know, Estenjini, guys, when there's a new wife, does the man sit down the children and say, listen, uno mawe, no omusha, ozayo, or what? But I kind of feel like you can't leave this type of thing for the public to decide whether number 5 came and break your mother's marriage or whatnot, because it's gonna get to that point. Or maybe uMaNgwabe needs to have a conversation with the children, but you can see it's an open door policy. The fact that uMaNgwabe can even ask this question while the cameras are rolling means that uMaNgwabe, she doesn't mind her child voicing out her opinions or any questions that she might have. Also, another thing that I think we should consider, remember uMaNgwabe has siblings, guys. Her other siblings are not going through the same thing she's going through. Their siblings' mothers are staying emshadini. So as a child to think ukuthi, so when what's wrong? Why aren't you like the other wives? Why can't you just stay? Like, what's the problem with number 5? I really hope uMaNgwabe doesn't grow some sort of hatred or awkwardness towards Usamke, because honestly, this is not Usamke's fault. Anyway, let's wait for kusasa, guys, for Friday to see the full episode play out. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.